Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I am Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So hi everyone, today is a wonderful day and it is the first day of fall or the first day of autumn. Either way, it is a beautiful time of year where the weather is starting to change in many of our locations. For us here, the weather starts to get cooler and the leaves start to turn colors, beautiful, rich colors, and the harvest is just bountiful with beautiful flavors and whatnot. And I just think it's just a wonderful, wonderful time of year. Now, to commemorate this time of year, there is a wonderful crafter by the name of Kim over at the Crafty Nomad. And she has done a wonderful collaboration with several of the content creators where on the first day of the season, we will show things that we have made for the season to help inspire. And while I wasn't able to adequately do something, I wanted to do something to commemorate the time. And so this is what I was able to come up with. I actually made this beanie today, and it took me maybe about an hour and a half to do total from beginning to end. I had to watch a video, and I was inspired after watching the video. So it is called a heart hat, but I'm going to call it a heart beanie. And it was designed by the Addie Queen. And this is a YouTube channel here on YouTube. So it's a wonderful tutorial. Please check it out. And yes, I was able to successfully do a beautiful beanie. Now, before I show you the beanie, let me talk about the hat that I have on. So the hat that I have on is a beautiful spiderweb beanie. And this one I found online. It is a free pattern. And I just thought it would be nice to do it in a beautiful fall color. I get hot very easily, and so I didn't need a thick hat. And this one serves just fine. I've made it in multiple colors and it is an easy to make and beautiful hat. And I will put the information somewhere here on the screen. And if you would like to make one for yourself, please, by all means, please do. All right. So now the hat that I made today, I'm going to show it to you and then we'll talk a little bit about the colors that I chose as well as my thoughts on the pattern. All right, so here we go. So would you like to see the beanie that I made? Here we go. So this is my beanie. It is again called the Heart Hat and it's by the Addie Queen here on YouTube. It is a tutorial and it is easy to follow. I chose beautiful, rich fall colors. This one is just yarn that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and it is Ember. And then this one is called Golden, also just yarn. I used a whole skein of the Ember and only a partial skein of the Golden. All right. And I still had some left over. And I even started another project and I still have some of the Golden left over. So, depending on what you do when you're using your machine, you actually can get quite a bit done if you have two skeins of the just yarn, which is great, right? Okay, so for this beanie, again, it is the color work on this side. It is double-sided, so it's a very warm beanie. I left it one plain color, okay? So they can wear it plain like this, or they can choose to um, wear it with the color work portion here, okay? All right, and I love it. I love the way it turned out. You guys let me know what you think. All right. Have you done color work with your Addy or your Central or your Jamit before? It's actually not hard. You just have to get used to rocking the two colors that you are using. Um, I'm sure you could probably use more than two colors, but you would really have to be good with the coordination. All right. This one's not bad. It is a good pattern to start with. So think about it and consider it. Once again, fall is a very beautiful time. It's just a wonderful time of year. And it kind of prepares us for the winter months and prepares us for a new year coming up soon. And so, for all of those things, I just think it's great. All right. So, thank you guys so much for the inspiration. And I look forward to seeing you guys again very, very soon. Now, if this does happen to make it in the Yarny YouTube hop, then thank you so much for the opportunity to share in the collaboration. If not, no worries. I will try my best to make sure that I can do something and actually be on time for the winter, all right? Because there is another one coming up um, for this year, all right? But in any case, I really do appreciate you guys. And yeah, fall, autumn, beautiful time of year. Do everything you can, guys, to be mindful, to be at your best health, and by all means, be crafty every day. I look forward to seeing you again very soon, either in one of my videos or maybe in one of yours. Bye bye now.